Hi all, we welcome you all for our new tutorial. If you have any query, you can log in into our forum. Link for the forum is given below on screen. You can post, comment and share your views there. First of all, we would like to thank the dedicated team of University of Illinois Urbana for creating such a great tool. This tutorial is made only for the educational purpose. All the inputs for this tutorial is taken from the training module which is there on the university site. Link is given below. We will recommend you to go and download and read the tutorial before getting started. Software used for making this tutorial are listed below. VMD and AMD. You can download these softwares from the given link. You can download the tutorial directly from the university site after registering yourself. Once you have downloaded the software, you will require to install it. As you can see on the screen, the software is getting downloaded. And now we are going to install the software. For our convenience, we have not installed this software at its default directory. Instead, we have installed in C drive only. Once the software gets installed, you need to download the NAMD tutorial files which is on the site. You need to download those files and paste it in the NAMD folder directly in the C drive. Once both these things get done, we are ready to move on to our tutorial. Now let's get started with tutorial. Once you open the VMD, you will see three default windows open. The first one is OpenGL display, second is VMD console, and the third one is VMD main window. In the TK console window, type command dir to identify the actual location of VMD. Here I would like to remember that we have copied all the files of NAMD in C drive, and hence we will move into that particular folder from our existing folder, that is tutorial folder, to 11 build folder. And once we get into the 11b folder, build folder, we will open the file 1ubq.pdb. For running any simulation, we require 4 files. The first is PDB file, which we have the atomic coordinates and velocity. The second is protein structure file, that is PS, which contain all the structural information. The third one is a force field parameter file, which may be any kind of GROMACS, CHARM-M or EMBER. And lastly, we would be needing a configuration file. The first step to get started is to convert the PDB file into the PSF file. There are two ways to conduct this process. The first one is to convert it firstly into the PGen file, and then from the PGen file we would be converting it into the PSF file. But the second step is directly converting the PDB file into the PSF file with the help of a creator, which is an automated process inside the VMD tool. As you can see on the screen, This is an automated process which takes the UBQ file and it will be converting it into the PSF file. You can see into the display mode that particular file, and for our convenience we have changed that particular name UBQ P underscore PSF into UBQ so that we can have easier way to conduct the simulation. Just by clicking I am feeling lucky, the UBQ PDB file is converted into the UBQ.PSF file. And now we can see that the hydrogen bonds getting attached with the protein. Once again we will type the command dir and we can see that we have created two more files, that is ubq.pdb and PSF. Next step in our tutorial is to convert this protein, solvating the protein. The purpose of solvating the protein is to require the close resemblance to the cellular environment. First way to get started is to convert it into the water sphere, which is requiring for the minimization and equilibrium in non-periodic conditions. For this particular step, we would be using the pre-made script, that is TCL script, located under 1-1 build directory. Once this script runs, we generate the two main files, name as ubq_ws.pdb and ubq_ws.psf. It creates a water sphere around the protein in every XYZ direction. The another step or the another way by which we can use the solvation of the protein is by creating a water box around it. It is required for the minimization and equilibrium in periodic conditions. A sphere is used for non-periodic conditions and box is used for periodic conditions. The command which is used for solvating is just below. And once this command completes its process, we would be getting two more files. That is ubq_wb.pdb and ubq_wb.psf. After this, performing the another command, that is set everyone atom select top all. This will be used for measuring the maximum and minimum value of XYZ coordinate of the entire protein water system. Now before moving on, we would be copying all the files into the one common folder, that is under the VMD nmat folder. The folder is common folder, so that we can just access all our files from that particular folder. From our 1-1 build folder, we are now moving all our files which we have just created into the common folder. So all the necessary files requiring for the simulation have been created in this particular tutorial. tutorial. In our next tutorial, we will be going with the simulation process. Thanks for watching our video.